Hi, this is Manish Pandey. So to buy OpenAI API credit or like OpenAI credits, if you want to purchase that, so you have to first open a browser, enter this URL platform.openai.ap, openai.com, and then here you need to sign up here. If you already have an account, then you just need to log in. So I'll go and enter my email ID, which I'm going to use to fix that. So I'll enter this and click continue. And you see, I already have this account and I have created here. I'm already logged in into this one. Now here you see we have a credit remaining, right? And we have button add credits. Correct? Means it shows that clearly mention that I don't have any um, credits here. So without this, I cannot make a call API call here. I cannot make a LLM call here. Left side you see there is a small cards or like pop you see which says that add credits, run your next API request. If you want to run your API request, then you have to add a credit. So for that you have to go to billings. So go to billings, and here you see this is a free trial one, but you don't have a credit remaining. You have to pay for that. So to pay for that, you have to click on add payment details. Okay. And for that, you should have a credit card information. You should have a credit card, right? And you need to enter the credit card informations like card number, your CVC, your expiry dates, your name on the card, billing address, and then you have to purchase that. Let me first enter some details of my card. And once you enter all the payment details, click continue. Okay. Now you see here we have an option. You have to configure the payment. How? Initial credit purchase. It says that enter an amount between $5 and $100. So you can start with the minimum. So if you are just you know purchasing this credit just for your learning, so I will suggest you to just go with the minimum amount like $5, right? So at least like the use of this, you will learn something, and once you'll think that okay, now I need more, so you can add $5 more or $10 more like that. So I'll go with 5. If I'll try 3, it will not allow me, right? So I'll go with 5, and here there is auto recharge. So do not check that, otherwise every time that will be deducted from my credit card. So I'll disable this, and whenever required, whenever I need that, I'll enable that and click continue. So if I need OpenAI API users credit $5, then I have to pay the tax as well, like $0.90, almost like you can say $1 I need to pay. So my estimated total amount will be $5.90, and it's going to use my credit card to deduct that amount. Now I'll click on confirm payment. So this amount is like you are going to watch a movie and you spend that, right? So that was a one-time movie that you have seen, and now that money is gone, right? But here, if you'll just for learning purpose, if you are doing that, so you'll learn something, right? You'll gain something. So now you see I have a $5. I'll go to the dashboard, and from credit balance now I can see $5.